Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Lazar. I want to invite you to attend our Wellness Orientation Workshop. It's designed for 4 different groups of people. The first group is somebody who has major symptoms that you already expect chiropractic care to help with, things like headaches or neck pain or back pain or tingling into the arms and hands or into your legs or feet. The second group are people who have a major condition that they wouldn't have typically thought chiropractic care would help with, but through their support network, they've heard that maybe chiropractic could help. Things like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, ADHD, infertility, autism spectrum, hypertension, anxiety, depression, big functional issues with the body. The third group are people who don't have any issues, symptoms, concerns, but they want to prevent something bad from happening. So these are people who would go to the dentist regularly to avoid having a cavity, to avoid having a filling or needing a filling. Those first 3 groups are playing defense on their health, which is perfectly okay. There's still a fourth group though, and those people we call our wellness practice members, and those are people who are pursuing health. They're playing offense on their health. They're playing to win, not just blocking the goals. And what this group is, they're interested in longevity, they're interested in quality of life, they're interested in pursuing health now so they have it, so they can play with their grandkids or travel with their adult children or those sort of things, and not let health hold them back or a lack of health hold them back. Whatever group you're in, this workshop is for you. And I'm going to answer 4 things in this workshop. Number 1, if you are in pain, you might be asking, how do I get out of pain as quickly as possible? We're going to go over that. The second thing we're going to go over is, how do I get the most out of this care / need you and your services as little as possible? I don't want to create a dependency on our services, so we want to equip you to know what you can do at home, whether you're a patient of ours or not, things you can do at home to help either get out of pain or promote health on your own. The third thing I'm going to share with you is my story, and not that that's a super important part, but I do believe that people do work with us because of why we do what we do, and the only reason I share my story is so you know why I do what I do. Then the fourth thing I'm going to do is give you some tips and tricks that you can do moving forward. So I hope you join me. The webinar is absolutely free to you, and I look forward to serving you in that way.